Hello, welcome to our channel. We are 99 Reasons Why. Here we do unboxing and show you the reason why products are good or bad, so you don't waste time and money. Today my assistants will do the unboxing while I'll tell you the pros and cons of Andoer Dolly. As you can see in the box, we've got many accessories. We've got the remote control, got the play button, rewind, fast forward, and we've got the ball head that is used to attach the DSLR for the camera. It's quite sturdy and it does tilt or swivel and does hold the weight of a camera, I think up to 3 kilograms. We've also got the USB cable. That's USB to, that's the micro USB cable, yep. And the charger is not included, so you probably need to have your wall USB charger to charge it. The battery is inbuilt in the Dolly, which does last quite a long time. The wheels are smooth. I could say it does make quite a lot of noise, a buzzing noise, which you can remove in Final Cut Pro later on in production. You can level out it's got markers on the chassis there, which you can use to level out the wheels if you want it to go straight. It's got this 1/4 to 3/8 adapter, which you use to attach. I use it to attach my pocket camera, the DJI Pocket camera, and that's about it. It's just very sturdy, and you can use it to make wonderful sliding effects in video production, and it does make your videos pop out more and look, posh and nice. Okay, now we will screw in the 1/4 to 3/8 thread so that we can attach the DJI Pocket camera. So here, screw that in now. Okay, once it's tight, you can now attach the DJI Pocket camera to it. You cannot attach it directly. You need a harness for the DJI Pocket camera, which I did buy. I'll probably add the link in the description below, so you can buy that if you're looking to attach your Pocket camera. Okay, now let's see how it works. My assistant will remove the covering over the battery, because if you don't, you'll be wondering why it's not working. So remove that now. And once that's removed, we'll put the covering over the battery, put it in place, and once that's done, you can press the play, rewind or forward. There are different adjustments of the Dolly. You can turn the wheel to be rotating it in a circle, but you have to switch it on first, and you could align it to go straight from the markings on the wheel that you can see. And let's see how it works. So 1 to go forward, and you can bend the wheel in any direction really, and then it will go as you please. Please subscribe to our channel or give me a like and we will be coming back with more interesting unboxing videos. Thank you.